Every dish you put inside your dishwasher matters. That's why everything that goes into making a Maytag dishwasher matters. American engineering, durable materials, reliable parts, and powerful performance. You need a solid, dependable dishwasher that goes the extra mile for you. And Maytag builds one tough dishwasher. It's packed with sturdy stainless steel that'll stand up to years of your toughest cleaning jobs. It has the cleaning strength of the most powerful motor on the market. And Power Blast spray jets, so you can be sure that what you put in comes out clean. The 4-blade stainless steel chopper disintegrates food particles, which means no more scraping plates for you. And Maytag dishwashers do all this powerful cleaning without all the ruckus. From Ohio to you, every Maytag dishwasher is designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA. We're so confident in our products that we back our dishwashers with a 10-year limited parts warranty. Maytag, better built to handle your dirtiest dishes.